Yo, what is up guys? It is CRPHD back with another video, and in today's video we have a product that I've been really trying to get my hands on for a really long time now, but I finally got it. This is my brand new custom GX bottle from Gatorade, and today I'm going to be doing a review over this bottle and as well as a taste test. I'm just going to give you guys my thoughts over the Gatorade GX. So let's hop into it. So Gatorade has had this product just sort of idea brewing for a while of a custom hydration system that is sort of customized to your fitting, and I don't really think that this is necessarily what they wanted to get out. Now what I mean by that is because if you go back and look at some of the older Gatorade commercials whenever they was first introducing this idea and just this custom hydration system with this water bottle, you can actually see that there was a little bit more to it rather than just a pod and a Gatorade bottle mixing it with water. You get the idea. So alongside in these earlier commercials, if you go back and watch them, you guys can see in the video that there's this sweat patch that one of the football players is wearing. I'm pretty sure that's just to monitor your sweat so that way Gatorade can determine and make this custom formula best fit for you. Now I'm not necessarily 100% sure on everything, but that would just be my best guess because like what else would you need the patch for? I mean, but hey, I don't work at Gatorade. Maybe this is exactly what they was trying to come up with, and those other versions of those water bottles that we saw in those commercials are maybe only for like pro players or like very exclusive bottles that Gatorade only makes for very important people, I guess, but who knows. But enough of that information though, let's actually focus on what's in the box and let's crack it open. So opening this box, you guys will be greeted by just some extra little paperwork included by Gatorade, just with all your information about your customized GX bottle, and as well as some bubble wrap that holds everything nicely in place. Once you get past the paper and the bubble wrap, the first thing that you should see are the GX pods. Now Gatorade offers a whole bunch of different pod flavors. You don't got to get the exact one that I have, but this one is kiwi strawberry, just if you're curious, but they do have like grape, glacier freeze, and as well as a whole bunch of other flavors, but I gotta say strawberry kiwi is the way to go. Now once you put the GX pods aside, the next thing that you should pretty much go for is that sort of hexagonal, I can't really remember if it's a hexagon or octagon, but I think it was a hexagonal shape in the corner of that box. That is where your Gatorade bottle's at. Now Gatorade did make this easy to open. There's like a little push here tab so that way you can easily access your bottle, pull it out, and start getting ready to drink some Gatorade. And do so I will. Well, actually I kind of already have, so I'm not really sure if you guys saw, but this GX pods pack actually comes with 4 pods and there's only one left. Yes, I already drank some. They're good. They taste like Gatorade. Who would have thought? But I do have just a little bit of tips for you guys to make sure that you get the best tasting Gatorade GX pod drink that you can get. Tip number 1, whenever you are filling up your Gatorade GX water bottle, Gatorade actually does include a fill mark. Now don't go exactly at the very top of the fill mark, the middle, or even below it. Me personally, I would actually do it just a little bit lower just to give you that better tasting fill, because the more water that you put in it and whenever you mix it with the GX pod, it's going to be more diluted, more watered down, and just less better tasting Gatorade, I guess. Was that good wordplay? Tip number 2, whenever you do have your GX pod, don't worry about peeling off the little sticker at the top. That's perfectly fine. You can just go on ahead, press it down right onto these little prongs, or not really prongs, but these little things that sort of poke into the pod. I'll have like a little on screen clip so y'all can see, and basically you press that down on the GX pod and then it sort of just pops open the GX pod's cap and finally releases the concentrate. Okay, I literally only have 1 pod left, so I'm gonna try and get this as best as I can on camera. Maybe should I focus in on this? Let's try this. Zoom in. Now y'all can, no, I'm just joking. But as you guys can see, I think that's a pretty good angle. I can only do this 1 more time because I'm all out of pods. I gotta order some more. Press down. Now don't worry about breaking it, because it's not, like, trust me, they had all this in mind. And I'm not sure if you guys can see all that. Yep, there we go. It's all going in. You just literally press it down, pop it down, put a little force on it. I know you want to be very gentle with it because you just got it Brand new toy, you don't want to break anything, but it's okay. It'll last. And then once all of the concentrate is out of the pod, as you guys can see, then that's pretty much it. You're pretty much done. Everything's all out, and everything is now in the Gatorade GX bottle, and it's just pretty much time to shake it up. Ooh, I think I squeezed a little bit too much, but you shake it up. You know, make sure everything's nice and mixed together, and that's pretty much it. Time to taste it. Go figure, it tastes just like Gatorade. I didn't even show y'all this. So my customized Gatorade bottle, you can like change all the colors like of the lid, and they have different designs, but I'm not really sure if y'all can see that. Mine says CRPHD, you know, why not, and as well as the number 21 on the very top of the lid. You can change the lid to different colors. They have NBA basketball teams, just designs like baller, and just a whole bunch of customizable things, which is why the main reason really why I picked up this Gatorade bottle, because of the customization. Who doesn't love that? You don't actually have to only put the GX formula mixed with water in here. Feel free to put Gatorade in here. Just treat it like a normal water bottle, but it's still, you know, it has like, this is the only water bottle that can accept these pods, unless you just maybe bust a hole in them. But like I said, don't be afraid to just put normal drinks in here as well. It still is a water bottle. It's very delicious, customizable. Why not? And it's only $25. Speaking of money, this Gatorade bottle, like I said, is just $25. It's $24.99 to be specific. But sadly, my stupid self, whenever I was in the checkout ordering this Gatorade bottle, I wasn't paying attention, and apparently I guess I clicked 2-day shipping, and that was like an extra $15 or so I ended up paying around like almost 50 bucks. It was like 40 some dollars. I'll have it probably popped up on the screen to be more specific, but yeah, my stupid self was not paying attention, and 40 some dollars. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will include a link in the description if you guys would like to go make your own customized Gatorade bottle. Is there anything else that I forgot? Nope. Alright, talk to you guys in the next one. Stay tuned, because the next video is right around the corner. Stay hydrated. Guys, it really does actually just taste like Gatorade. No lie.